I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings and choosing Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode so changes are allowed. Once done, position the device about 10-20 inches from your face and remove sunglasses that block your eyes. Now tap Set up Face ID and start the circular scan, moving your head slowly to capture angles. This first pass captures core data. Make sure lighting is even. If the scan pauses, adjust distance and retry so the camera reads your features clearly. Next, refine your Face ID by completing the second scan and adding an alternate appearance if you wear masks or heavy makeup. You'll be prompted to move your head in a circle again. Take it slow so the sensor maps side profiles. Once finished, enable Face ID for iPhone unlock and any apps you want, then check Require Attention settings for security versus convenience. If you frequently wear hats or scarves, add an alternate appearance. This improves recognition without assistive touch. To finish, lock the phone and test unlocking with sleep/wake. Also try App Store or password autofill to confirm. If recognition struggles, rerun Set up Face ID and ensure the true depth camera is clean. Fingerprints and cases can block sensors. Once done, you won't need assistive touch for Face ID. If problems continue, reset Face ID and redo scans. As a last resort, update iOS or contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics. This sequence resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.